Have you been to Jamaica?
Yeah, man.
How many times have you been to Jamaica?
I mean, I've been to Jamaica 3 times. When I was born and when I went to visit twice.
Oh, where you been when you was born?
I was born in Jamaica.
Wait, don't make me fling my ped off. Tell me, son. Voila, you're born in Jamaica, dog.
Yeah, I was born in Jamaica, and then it was a voyage for me at 2 months old. You know. Yeah, I was adopted.
So you're Jamaican born?
Yeah, me a Jackitician.
Yeah, yard man, dog.
Jackitician.
Now,
because what? No, because you have to remember. No, but watch now. You have to remember too, you know. Remember, you not catch a sense of consciousness until you're 5 years old.
Okay.
So basically, you know, the mind is a Kititian mind, but the body is a Jamaican band.
Boy, this is an interview of revelations today, my bro.
Say you're bad from which part? Tell a pussy we no gun dip dog. Like Chinese war so the clip tall. Show it up and make you fall from your disc dog. You know one on a discharge, man a big dog. I saw you disappear as if you never did ban. Me no walk up a kilo, me no just a sing song. With the people your mother tell you keep fam. Z-Tech full of bomb like Islam.